So now let's see how earthquake occurs. Occurrence of earthquake. So let's see, an earthquake happens when two plates suddenly slip past one another. The place where they slip is called fault. तो place जहाँ पे वो slip हो गई one another पे वो fault रहता है, जहाँ से वो स्लिप होती है ऑन वन, बिल्कुल कांटेक्ट में है एक दूसरे के. फाइन. द एज ऑफ दीज प्लेट्स आर रफ, सो ड्यूरिंग द मूवमेंट दे समटाइम्स गेट स्टक. जब ये स्टक हो जाती हैं, when the rest of the plates keep moving, sometime they can stuck and rest of the plates are moving because of the rough surface of these plates. And important thing which we need to understand, जहां से जिस एरिया से ये स्लिप हो रही है एक दूसरे पे, that area is called as fault. Fine. So after that, when the edges release themselves, when they are stuck off, now after that, when the edges are going to release themselves, the energy got confined, radiation outward from the fault in the form of seismic wave. तो जब ये stuck off plates जो हैं आपस में separate होने का try करते हैं, releasing themselves, and that time energy got confined, radiates. तो energy ज़्यादा लग रहा है, that energy is also radiate outward from the fault. तो energy fault से बाहर को निकलती है, that is seismic waves. Fine. And the place on the earth's surface directly above the point where fault begins to rupture in the epicenter of the quake. तो जो fault है जहां से ये seismic waves originate होती हैं during stacking of these tectonic plates, तो place on the earth surface is directly above the point where the fault begin. कहाँ पे? उसी fault से directly on the above the surface जो place है जिसको rupture करके पता लगाएगा epicenter of the quake. Center of the quake कहाँ है? Fault. Fault inside earth है और ऊपर वाला जो हमारे पास particular area rupture होगा earthquake की वजह से on the upper surface, वहां से क्या idea लगाएगा? This is the epicenter of the quake.